Let's enter the amazing world of animals today and learn more about the senses. Are you ready? Do you know our body has some specialized organs called sense organs, which tells us about the world around us and help us to perceive and respond to our surrounding. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the 5 sense organs. Eyes are sensitive to light images, ears will help us to perceive sound, while tongue helps us to perceive different tastes and flavors. Nose helps us to perceive different smells. Skin, which is the largest organ of our body, is related to the sense of touch. Animals use their senses to find food, to stay safe, and to find mates. Watch carefully how this eagle is finding and catching its prey by using its sense of sight. And if you are wondering why these deers are running the other way, the reason is they know the danger is nearby. And how they know? By the sense of hearing. And here, this male peacock is displaying its beautiful and colorful feathers to attract the female mate. Let's see how these sense organs actually work. An animal sense organ and its brain work together. When this rabbit hears a sound, nerves send a signal from the ear to its brain. The brain then sends a signal along the nerves that tell the rabbit how to respond to the sound. An animal uses sight to find food, to look out for danger, or for many other things. Like these zebras, they will look around to make sure there is no danger nearby, and if they sense, they run away to save their life. Bees can process ultraviolet light to see bright flowers that it can land on and find food. And if you're wondering how a teeny tiny snail who moves very low to the ground sees, for a surprise, they have eyes at the tip of their large tentacles. An owl has big eyes that face forward. It cannot move its eye to the left and right like we can. It turns its whole head and can see very far around. Their large, tube-shaped eyes contain many more rods than human eyes, which allow them to be more sensitive to light. They have an excellent night vision too. Hey, now look at this. Somebody is resting on the branches. Do you know who's this?
That's a chameleon.
At first glance, chameleon's eyes look unusual. Their shape is unique among all the animals, with no upper or lower eyelid. It can move its eyes in different directions at once. This helps the chameleon to search for prey on all sides. Eagles have an excellent long-distance vision. They can see clearly about 8 times as far as human can, which help them to spot and focus on any prey at a distance of about 2 miles. Many insects, like this dragonfly, have 2 huge compound eyes, each with thousands of lenses, which allows it to see 360 degrees. An animal uses its hearing to stay safe, to find its young one, and for many other things. Elephants can hear and call out to each other from about 4 kilometers away. They call out to warn each other about a lion nearby or for many other reasons. Bats have poor eyesight, but they have strong sound system to find their way about in the dark. When they squeak, the sound hits the objects in the dark and echo back to the bats. The echo helps a bat to find food and to avoid bumping into things. Best example of amazing sense of taste is the catfish. Catfish has taste buds not only in its mouth but all over its body. Butterflies are so beautiful, and the interesting fact about them is they don't have mouth. So how do they really taste? They have special taste organs on its feet, and it stands on a flower to taste it. Animals use their sense of smell to find things, to protect its territory, and much more. Like this cheetah marks its territory with strong smelling urine to tell other cheetahs that this place is taken. A snake has a nose, but it also smells with its tongue. It flicks a tongue in and out to smell the air and find food. Here, next in the list is a shark. A shark's nose helps it to find food in the dark sea. Some sharks can smell even one drop of blood in the water. An animal uses the sense of touch to catch food, to find its way around, and for many other reasons. A cat uses its whiskers to feel if it can fit through a small space or not. You all must have seen a spider web. A spider spins a web to catch insect. This is how it catches its prey. The spider feels the web shake when an insect flies to it. The raccoon uses its very long fingers to feel for fish and catch them in the water. Many moles have poor eyesight. They use the pink tentacles on its nose to feel its way around and find things like food. Isn't this interesting that few species of bird have their own navigation system? Like some species of swallow birds fly thousands of miles to find food and to breed. They have special sense that works like a compass and tell them where to go. Sea turtles also have special sense. When they are ready to lay eggs, they find the same beach where they hatched. We know each organism is unique in its own way. These special senses of animal can help us too. A dog's sense of smell is 1,000 times better than a person. So, when people are lost or trapped, a search dog can help find them just by using its nose. Dogs assist law enforcement with crime scene, weather-related disaster, drowning, collapsed buildings, and many more. Even sea lions have very good sight and hearing. These are trained to find things in the ocean. Hope you enjoyed this wonderful journey in the wonderful world of animals and their senses. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.